New to my sense, I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I'll do it again.
Someone is winning this bike right now.
Van's packed. It's a big day today, boys. What does this say? Fill up gas cans. If you guys have been following us, we do an annual pit bike race, the PALMER Compound Pit Bike Race. So we're doing that today. All the boys stayed up there at the track getting it all ready. I'm bringing just like some pit bikes, some other stuff we need around. Gonna be fun. Stoked to see everyone and hope you all have a good time. So let's get to it. It's a little bright this morning. Dang, it's gonna be a good day. Track is looking sick.
Bubbles, we gotta get this show on the road.
Alright, we do have one more thing we gotta do before we get going. This guy sitting right here behind me, it is his 20th birthday, so we all are gonna sing him happy birthday because he loves it. He loves it. Happy birthday to you. Oh, we got Donnie. What up, Donnie?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Tell him to come up and rap. Donnie, we need some bars. Spit on the mic ASAP.
That's why I came here, Doc. To say happy birthday in person. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Aww. Hey, PALMER Compound, baby, let's go.
Braxton Wild. You better win.
I'll tell you what.
I'm counting on it.
Me winning?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm actually like, I'm flattered. I'm flattered.
Yeah.
How you been, man?
Good. How about you?
Dude, good. Just, you know, just living.
Yeah.
Working during the week. Ride these on the weekends, you know.
Yeah.
If it gets much longer, I just start looking like a chick.
it was hella long.
Every time I'm on the track, like, damn, who's that? She rips. So no, this length, we'll probably keep it around here. Keep the perm rolling, you know. Four out of each heat. If everyone is here, there is 16 riders. There's going to be 4 out of each heat. Our first second girls here. Let's go!
right here, right, number 1.
Dude, I don't know what to do. Why the f am I even racing you guys?
Dude, don't you ride BMX bikes?
Yeah. Don't do this. Why am I racing a pro class? This is stupid.
Is it only 2 laps? How many laps? I can't do 10.
Oh my god! Send it! Really get on that 135 rig!
The leader. And we're glad all the girls got through the race today.
Let's go!
Whole shot.
Enemies
100%.
close, have me thinking they're friends.
Yeah.
10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I'm a fist in my hands. Took so many years, I was waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is happening.
Let's go! God, it fell out.
No.
Hey, 1, 2, 1, 2.
This one right here.
Oh my God! Shit. Where'd it go? What do you do? What do you do?
Thanks to Court for pushing me to race. That's it. She was hauling ass.
All right, everyone give a big round of applause for the women's class.
Doing a stick race and 4-master cattle.
Right on, good job, Trip. All right, what's your name? Where are you coming from?
I'm saying I'm from Hurricane, Utah.
Number 27. He's being bumped up to the pro class. All right, everyone, where are you coming from, Butters?
Kingman, Arizona.
Anyone you'd like to thank?
Palmer's for putting on the race.
Well, throw that rig on. All right, everyone, give a big round of applause for the amateur class. All right, who's ready to win a pit bike? If it wasn't
Someone
for
is
any of
winning
you
this
guys,
bike right
none
now.
of this.
Come on, baby, I need your bike.
All right, here it is, Caden. Read it off.
6, 7, 0, 6, 4, 8.
For 8. Ah, we got a winner. Where are you coming from?
Jared O'Backer from St. George, Utah.
How much money did you put in?
$150.
You have a chance to win a beer bag and/or a Fox helmet.
We got a Fox V1 helmet. It's a large, so keep that in mind. We're gonna have Bubbles pull a ticket. Oh, we got a winner. He was on the trailer. Nice. Medium. Check the ticket. Check the ticket.
Yep, we're good.
Heck yeah. Thank you everyone for coming out. Palmer Compound Pit Bike Race.
Once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up,